How to fix live option not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with happening delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're in your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, here click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, in here, scroll down and you will find account status. Click on account status. Here, see if you are restricted or you have committed violence community guidelines. Then you'll find it here, and because of that there is issue in your life, but there is nothing. There is all green. What you can do is go back to your profile and click on the plus button at the top left corner of your screen. Here you find live. You can click on live and go live. It's not available in my region, but you'll find it here. And this is how to fix Instagram live option not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.